QAC virtual courses are hosted online via our learning management system. My QAC is designed to conduct our virtual, instructor-led courses, store the study material, cite exams, and deliver updated information to our students. My QAC can be accessed via the link in the top right corner of the www.qac.net.au. To log in, use the username and password you created when you first enrolled into your QAC course. Once you log in successfully, it will lead to the main dashboard. If you have forgotten your username or password, please contact QAC office at inquiries@qac.net.au. When you select My QAC from your dashboard, the student portal will open. You can view the courses you are enrolled in by clicking on My Courses. If you have any questions, contact our training team on inquiries@qac.net.au.